Hello and welcome to easyTithe Plus. This is another training video. In this video we are going to go through setting up your mass contact options using mass contact for email, texting, or voice messaging. So one of the great features of easyTithe Plus is the ability to send out emails to a group of specific people or your whole church, or if you wanted to send out a text to a specific group of people, or again your whole church, as well as a voice message. This comes in handy when, say, your small group leaders want to be able to send out an email or a text or something like that to their group and remind them of prayer requests or something like that. So when you're logged into easyTithe Plus, you would simply go to Utilities and then click on Mass Contact. Here you're going to see the Mass Contact form, and it defaults to the email form first. You will then also be able to click on the SMS for text and the voice for voice messaging. Now real quickly here, if you go through here and say you just want to select a specific group of people, you can select like the college and career group, and it'll spit back anything that says like a specific number of email addresses are not valid. And then you would simply put in the name that it's from, add a subject, and then you can put something in the body of the email like, don't forget to come this weekend. We're planning on a great message this weekend from Pastor so-and-so. And then down here at the bottom, you can go ahead and attach a file if you want, and then simply just send it off. Now that is the emailing part of the mass contact, and again you can select as many groups as you want, or if you wanted to just have it be one specific group, as in this case. Now before we move on to doing the SMS or the voice messaging, something that you should know is if you are new to this and you're using this mass contact system for the first time, you will need to set up an account with a company called Twilio. Now there is a guide on how to do this in your help menu within easyTithe Plus if you just simply type in Twilio when searching through the help menu, but I wanted to go ahead and show you how this would work within easyTithe Plus. So all you would have to do is go to twilio.com, as you see here, and then click on Sign Up. You go ahead and put in your information, and then what's going to happen is that they're going to send you some information that you're going to then need to plug into easyTithe Plus. Twilio also has some great pricing for nonprofit organizations, and you can access that by going to twilio.org and clicking on the Apply Now button. Now once you have that information from Twilio, what you'll need to do is go to the Settings menu, and then you'll click on More and Services. These are all the different services that you can enable for integration with easyTithe Plus. If we scroll down here, we can see with Twilio we can enable it, and then that information that they're going to send you is an account SID and then an authorization token. So you put that information in there and then go down here to the bottom and click on Save. Once you've enabled that and have the accurate information in there, you should be able to go back to Utilities, click on Mass Contact, and then these two options should be available for you. Now with the SMS, it's again a really simple process. You just choose a specific group of people. We'll stick with that same group, that college and career group. And it's going to show you any kind of invalid phone numbers or anything like that. And then you can just put in the body something like, don't forget about this weekend. And then you just go ahead and click Send. Very simple, very easy. And then with the voice messaging, again, we'll just stick with the same group, but you could change that group if you needed to. And so then you can also select which phone you want to send that voice message to. We'll select everybody's home phone, and then we can go ahead and launch the voice recorder, or we can upload a WAV file. If you have some voice recordings already in the system, you can select them there and preview those. Once you have that completed, just go ahead and click Send. It's that simple. Finally here, I want to show you what the mass contact options look like on the easyTithe Plus app. Now, as a staff member, when you're logged into the easyTithe Plus app, you have a few different options here, and we'll cover these in other videos, but on this one, I just want to show you the mass contact option, how simple and easy it is to do here. You just simply click on group, and again, we'll just go to that same college and career group. We type in a subject, we'll say, and again, this is sending out an email. We'll say this weekend, don't forget to bring your Bibles this weekend. Here, we'll say that. That's always a great one. So once we've completed that email, we just simply click on send, and it would send an email out to that particular group. When we click on the SMS, choose a group, we'll again choose that same group. We can select the number it's coming from. Again, this is something that you'd set up with Twilio. And then you would put in the body your message that you want to send out to the group. And then next, with the voice message, very simple and easy again. Select the group that you want to send that to. Select the number that it's coming from, and then you would just simply record your message and then send that out. Very simple, very easy to use. And that is how you go about setting up the mass contact options and how the mass contact options work within easyTithe Plus. Again, you're going to get a great amount of use out of that. It is a great tool, and we have a lot of churches that use that on a regular basis. So, thank you for joining us for this video.